Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Imtiaz from 5% Club. So guys, let's see, this is a market analysis. So this is not any kind of a call, tip, or I'm not giving any tip, or I'm not referring to anything. Okay, this is just an analysis that I'm going to analyze the market for tomorrow. Let's see how market's going to work, what are my criteria, how I'll enter, how I'll exit, and all this will be discussing in this video. So let's get into it. First, let's see Nifty. Okay, this is a Nifty daily time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. Great. So what is happening? So Nifty is basically stuck in between a range. Okay, so basically I will consider this as a range. Like I can see sellers on both the side is what I'll say. That is above 20,100 and 19,900. Okay, these both levels are seller zones. Okay, so basically what happens is when the market is volatile, the market spends so much time in between these ranges, the sellers tend to make good profits. Okay, so this might be more volatile. I will get into any kind of trade only if I see a candle closing above 19,100, that is no 20,100. Okay, and only if it forms this kind of a pattern I will be entering it. And on the downside, about the bearish thing, only if the market, okay, if it gaps down, if it makes any price action, and if it comes down to 19,900 and it makes any kind of an upside down hammer candle here, then I will look forward for a downside trend. Okay, so I might trade that. So this is my view on Nifty for now. I'm still bullish on the market because nobody knows how far the market is gonna go. Okay, so just trade what you see. Always trade what you see. Don't trade what you think might happen. Okay, so there is where people lose a lot of money, so don't do that. So my view is bullish. Okay, but for now it might go sideways. This is what I'm saying, but I'm not 100% sure, and I cannot be 100% sure. And remember, this is not a financial advice or a tip. This is just my view on market. Okay, so let's go to Bank Nifty now. Okay, this is Bank Nifty daily time frame. Okay, so if we see the market is in, there was a huge gap yesterday. So we in my other yesterday's analysis video, which I uploaded in Tamil, so I said there's a huge gap which might be filled. So today the gap looks like market has tried to fill that gap. So let me go to the 15 minutes and see how it performed. Okay, yeah, so what happened is market has taken from here, it has some profit booking has come, and then it has gone to obviously fill this gap. Okay, so this was yesterday's open, this was yesterday's resistance zone. Okay, so what basically happens is when a candle starts closing above a resistance, that resistance becomes support. Okay, when a candle starts closing below a support, that support becomes resistant. Okay, so this is how market has been working for all these years, and I hope this is how it's going to work for the future too. So my view on Bank Nifty is the gap is pretty small. Will I take trade here? No, I definitely won't take trade here. Where will I take trade if you ask me? I will definitely try to take a trade here when the market comes to 46,300. If it crosses 46,300, yeah, then I will definitely look for a trade on the upper side, that is on the bullish side. If the market closes below, that is 45,250, I will definitely look for a short. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If it's in any range like this, I will definitely ignore it. I won't trade it. Because I don't want to lose money anywhere in between, because mostly this is like the seller zone. Okay, so this and this is the seller zone. They would have put some straddle strategies, and they'll be sitting here. How much of a market is volatile, they'll be making money here. Okay, so that comes under options, which you'll be learning in the future videos. So let's get into US oil now. As I told you already, I trade even crude oil. So let's check into US oil and see what's happening. So as we discussed already, okay, so let's get into 1 hour time frame. Okay, great. So this is 1 hour time frame. When this thing broke, okay, when this 1 hour's consolidation, okay, it was getting squeezed, and when it broke, I entered here. Okay, where we captured 1:6. Okay, 1:6 is not a small trade at all. 1:6 is actually very good risk to reward ratio trades. Okay, this kind of trades is what I take on daily basis. Okay, so this is the trade I look for, and this is the kind of trades I trade. Okay, so because I give small losses, but I make big profits like this. Okay, so this is how my trades are. So it was 1:6. I was actually trailing my stop losses. My trailing stop loss got hit only on this point, that is $98, $89. It got hit on this candle, exactly on this candle it got hit. It was totally fine. Okay, so this is the view for next action is If the market starts closing below $87.80, okay, 87.80, I'm going bearish. Okay, my view is bearish on that, but for now it is on sideways because you see so many spikes here. I hope you guys can see the spikes which are forming in this zone. Like the market is not able to decide if it wants to go up or down, so it is just forming these kind of candles here. So this time you should leave the market do its thing. Okay, you should wait for your proper levels. You should come to its levels and then you should trade. Okay, or I will see for the upper side only if it starts losing above 89.60. Okay, if it crosses above 89.60, I'm going on the upper side, that is on the buy side. If it's closing below 87.65, I'm definitely going on a sell side. Okay, sell side, my target will be 86.65. That's it. Okay, 86.65, 86.70 will be my target on the downside. So this is what my US oil view is. Okay, so if I show you, that is crude oil M is what I actually trade. Okay, so I'll show you how the trade went. Okay, so if you see here, we entered the trade here, the market went up, we trailed a stop loss. First trail stop loss was at cost to cost, second was here, third was here, and fourth here we got our trailing stop loss hit. Okay, this is where it hit our stop loss. Here I saw a small entry, this was a small SL. Actually I did not enter it, I just plotted it on the chart and I left it, I did not enter. Okay, so it's totally fine. Now it's coming down. Once it crosses this level, okay, once it crosses 72.50, I'll be shorting it. Okay, I'll be shorting it and my target will be this 71.56. This will be my target. Okay, so but this zone is actually a very volatile zone. You can see there are many spikes, up and down spikes here. Market is very indecisive. It is not able to decide where it wants to go because buyers are buying, sellers are selling, and the buyers are booking their profits and sellers are booking their profits. So market is pretty much stuck in this zone. So it's better to just leave it, not disturb it for a while, so we get our proper entries and we trade. Okay, if we trade here, there is a very high chance our stop loss is getting hit on both the sides. Okay, no matter which view you are, you're gonna hit. So let the market decide its trend first and trade the trend. Okay, trend is your friend. Always trade what you see. Okay, trade what you see. Don't trade what you predict. Okay, trade what you see. That is how you make money. Okay, and always try capturing bigger targets. Okay, 1:3 minimum. Try keeping it at least 1:3, so it is easy for you to survive in the market and to bring some money home. Okay, so I will tell you how I actually trade this on the swing trading learn with me series, that is basic to advanced series learning series. I will post how I actually trade this. I will teach that there. Okay, for now let's focus on the next one. So Grasim, we've entered this yesterday. Okay, so let's go to 1 day time frame. Okay, so we entered Grasim yesterday somewhere in this zone. Yeah, we entered somewhere in this zone. It is 2% up today. I'm expecting a more upper move. Okay, I don't see any bearishness now, and it has broken a good weekly resistance. Okay, if you see, this is a very strong weekly resistance. This has been testing for a long time. It has broken it. Now I don't know the upside. So upside target for me is, I'll be only trailing stop loss. This is how I trade. I don't once it crosses 1:2, I don't exit. I exit 60% of my position. Other rest I just leave it there. I keep trailing my stop losses. I let the market run as much as possible because bigger wins are the ones which are going to let you survive the market, and bigger winners are the actual way to trade. I will tell you that is the actual way to trade. You can't be always taking every day. If you trade 1:2, 1:2, 1:2, you're going to lose a lot in the beginning. It is good when you have that skill which you'll be gaining only after some years. Okay, that is called as intraday trading. That will be also covered in learning series. Okay, so we'll cover that later. Now let's get back to the swing stocks whichever we have. Okay, we see TCS had a good resistance here. It has broke already. Okay, in 1 week time frame it has broken. In 1 day time frame we can see it has broken. It has retested also. According to me, it has retested. I don't know according to other analysis. It has retested. My first target will be 3809 and my stop loss is at 3506. Okay, so I'm holding this. I've entered half position and I'm gonna enter rest of my position tomorrow once I see a positive candle here. Okay, so this is about TCS. This is also a swing pick which I've taken. Next, let me see Titan. Okay, so Titan also has given a breakout. So this was a resistant, July month's resistant. August it was down and it's up now. July it has broken the resistance, so 1:2 target. Will I trade this? Yes, definitely. If I have enough capital, I will trade this because it's just 3% of stop loss. It's totally fine. I'm gonna enter with a small quantity in this. I'll try capturing 1:2 or 3 in this and I'll exit it. That's it. So this is about Titan. Let's see on Tata Consumer Product. Okay, Tata Consumer Product was on a good resistance zone from June to September. Okay, this is a good resistance zone. I will tell you, this is a good resistance zone for Tata Consumer Product. Okay, so this is a good resistance zone. It has been broken now. So tomorrow, see, I actually don't wait for retest. I'll tell you why. Because if the breakout is pretty strong, you won't get the retest. I'll be very honest. If the breakout is strong, you won't get the retest. I enter half quantity. It's totally fine. I give a small stop loss. It's totally fine. But I don't want to miss the opportunity. Okay. This is not a part of FOMO, but this is a part of trading. So this is how actually professionals trade. They don't miss on small quantities. See, if the breakout comes back, that means the breakout is weak. Okay, according to me, according to my psychology, if the breakout comes back to the place to take support, it means it is weak. Okay, if it is a good breakout, it should go. Okay, it should actually go. Okay, so this is about Tata Consumers. So that's it for today's analysis, guys. So thank you so much for watching. It will be great if you can support me. It will help me grow. Please like, share and subscribe. I have uploaded the basic to advanced learning series even for my English viewers or Hindi viewers. Please watch it, learn it, grow. Okay, trading is a very good business if you do it like a business. And remember, first learn and then trade and do everything whatever you want. Okay, so please support. Thank you so much.